Hello friends, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to Wisdomizer. This is Pritam Bansali. Today I am going to give you the in-depth knowledge about ServiceNow certifications. I am going to explain you what is ServiceNow, what are the different levels of certifications in ServiceNow and much more. So without making any delay, let's start. So the first question is, what is ServiceNow and what does it exactly do? So exactly, ServiceNow is nothing but a name of a corporation or a company which is situated in the Santa Clara, California, United States. So ServiceNow is nothing but the most famous product or a solution which provides other organization to develop their product, and it plays a very important role in the day-to-day development of those organizations products. So for example, this one we can understand with a very good example. So let's take an example of any company. Suppose there is an organization with the name 123XYZ. In their daily routine of development of various products, they face many challenges and many problems and issues while development of their products. So to keep a track of all these problems and issues and all the workflow of the development of their particular product, they can take the help of this ServiceNow. Through this ServiceNow, for example, if they are getting any issues or any problems, or whatever challenges they are facing while the development of those products or after development of those products, they can raise so many tickets, requests, like they can raise so many requests, tickets, incidents related to those problems, and these tickets or incidents can be assigned to the respective teams who will resolve all these problems and challenges, and the product can work seamlessly. ServiceNow is a very famous product and it is used by almost all the major big companies, so you can understand the scope of the certification in ServiceNow in the current market. So now this was the basic about ServiceNow. Let's jump onto the certification related to ServiceNow. So there are four different types of certifications are available in ServiceNow. The first one is CIS, the second one is CAD, the third one is CAS, and the fourth one is CAS. But what exactly the full form of all these certifications? That is also I will let you know. The full form for the first one is Certified Implementation Specialist. For second one, Certified Application Developer. For the third one, Certified Application Specialist, and the fourth one, Certified System Administrator. So this was the basic idea about these certifications. So let's jump onto the website and try to understand it in more detailed manner. So this is nothing but the servicenow.com is the dedicated website for all the services which ServiceNow is providing to us. So here you will be finding, so once you scroll down in the bottom section of this website, you will find here services tab. So once you visit this service tab related web page, on that page here you will find training and certification related tab. So you can just click on this tab and you can land on the dedicated page related to certifications and training. So once you land on this page, here you will find all these different types of certifications which is provided by ServiceNow, which I have already told you. After that, you just need to click on this register button. So once you click on the register button, you need to provide here your credentials, that is username and password. So once you log into this website, you will be able to see all the certifications in more in-depth manner. So right now I am going to show you that one also. So after logging into the ServiceNow website, you will be able to see this type of web page. So here you need to click on this tab, register for an exam. So once you reach the web page, so once you land on that particular page, here you will be able to find there are two different types of certifications. First one is beta exam and other one is mainline exams including retakes. So retakes means if you fail in any kind of exam, you can reappear for that exam from this tab itself. So here you will be able to find all these certification related details. Okay, for example, if you see here the details related to this first certification, which is certified system administrator. So here there are some important details are mentioned, like the exam duration will be 90 minutes and approximately 60 questions will be asked in that exam, and it will be a kind of closed book exam. So this is the main basic and fun. So these are the fundamental and important things related to those exams. So this was the part 1 of this video. So I highly recommend you to watch all my previous videos related to certifications, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel, like this video and share this video. I wish you best luck for your future. Thanks a lot.